everyone, I am so excited. I have such an interesting lesson for you today.
English lessons.
Do you ever get confused between using so and such? Don't worry, it's super easy. Today I'm going to show you how to use them. I was at an Ed Sheeran concert last night and I'm so tired today. We use so with an adjective. So tired. This is such an interesting lesson. Thanks, I do try. We use such with an adjective noun phrase. Such an interesting lesson. The other way that you can use such is just with the noun for phrases like such a shame or such a pity. Oh, it was such a shame you couldn't come to dinner last night. The food was really delicious. Or another one would be such a shock, such a surprise. Oh my God, can you believe I got that promotion? It was such a surprise to me. See, that was so easy. Such an easy lesson. Bye.